In this segment, you will learn how to match a smooth rounded seam sealer appearance as found on truck bed floor seams, doors, hoods, and deck lids using Fusor 129. Benefits of using Fusor 129 include fast cure, smooth rounded bead appearance, sandable to a nice feather edge.
First, remove any original sealer material from the seam area and grind and sand as needed. Blow off the seam area with compressed air and clean the bare metal with Fusor plastic and rubber cleaner, stock number 703. Apply a primer to all bare metal areas. A 2-component epoxy primer is preferred. Allow the primer to fully cure per the paint manufacturer's recommendations. Then apply masking tape to the outside edges of the repair and allow for an approximately 3/8-inch seam. Scuff sand the primer with 180 to 220 grit sandpaper or a regular scuff pad. Remove dust and debris from the seam area using compressed air. Now dispense a small amount of adhesive from the Fusor 129 cartridge until both parts dispense equally. Attach a mixing tip and securely lock in place with the retaining nut. Dispense a small amount of adhesive, which is about the width and length of the mixer. Dispense the adhesive until the color is evenly mixed. Apply a 3/8-inch bead of Fusor 129 controlled flow seam sealer along the repair area, making sure to completely fill the gaps. You have approximately 5 to 8 minutes working time before the material skins over. Carefully remove the tape while the adhesive is still wet to duplicate the rolled edges look. Allow the seam sealer to reach handling strength for about 30 to 40 minutes at room temperature before sanding if necessary. Prime and refinish per the paint manufacturer's recommendations.
This completes the smooth, rounded seam sealer application using Fusor 129. For more information, visit www.lord.com/Fusor. Call 877-ASK-LORD or contact your local Fusor distributor.